If you're experiencing issues with the Rocket League update getting stuck at 2026, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully complete the installation. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Shut down your gaming console or PC completely. Wait for a few moments, then power it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by unplugging the power cord for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by going to the game settings or using the command prompt to clear temporary files. This can help remove any corrupted data that might be affecting the update. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. Go to the update section of your game library. Pause the Rocket League update, wait a few moments, then resume it. This can sometimes kickstart the update process and allow it to complete. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling Rocket League and then reinstalling it. Make sure to back up any saved data if necessary. This will ensure you have a fresh installation and may resolve any persistent issues with the update. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Rocket League update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.